want to talk a little bit now about the dome tips. They're very easy to change, very easy to clean when you need to. You basically just grasp it with your finger, kind of twist it, and pull it right off. And there the dome comes right off. You'll want to do that from time to time to change it, to clean it. You want to make sure this opening here right on the tip is always cleaned off. You can use the brush that it comes with, or you can just use an old soft bristle toothbrush if you wanted to. On the other end of this cleaning brush, there's a little wire loop. You can dig in there, and you're not going to hurt anything. Just dig out any debris or wax that might be in there. And to replace it with another dome, I'm going to replace it right now with an open dome. And we have a whole other video about domes and which one to use that I would refer you to. But here I'm just putting another dome tip on, just pushing it all the way down, twisting it a little bit. And there I have now an open dome in place on this hearing aid. So that's how you change the domes. Now we recommend that you clean the hearing aids every morning, and the reason why we recommend in the morning is because overnight any wax has had a chance to get dry and flaky. It's a little easier to remove. And we found the best way to clean the hearing aids is just to turn them upside down like that, let gravity work with you, and take that brush and just brush off that dome tip every morning. If you do it every morning, the wax doesn't have a chance to accumulate too much, and that'll go a long ways toward maintaining your hearing aids. You're also going to want to pay attention to the microphones, which are on the other side of the hearing aid. Those two small holes up at the top and bottom of the volume. You'll want to make sure those are kept clean and clear of debris. And so the best thing you can do for the hearing aids to maintain them is to keep them dry and keep them clean. So we recommend that you not store them in the bathroom where there's high humidity and water splashing around. So some things like that to make sure you keep the hearing aids clean and dry will go a long ways toward maintaining them.